One of the biggest questions that is always asked is, how do I make my agency stand out? One of the biggest ways to do this is to be able to actually create and provide specialty programs. You don't have to create a new specialty program. You can actually research and at the same time as find out what others are using. And that's what we're here for, is to be able to help you what current specialty programs are out there. We're here to help you find those so that you know what are being used, so that you know what other agencies are using to gain more referrals. What you need to, once you have made a decision on what specialty programs your company wants to start providing, you need to be able to figure a way to package this, to repackage this program and present it to your possible referral sources or even your current ones. And if you present it and repackage these programs, you want to be able to also make sure that you differentiate yourselves from the other companies out there that are offering the similar specialty programs. So, here are some basic tips on how to be able to market your specialty programs. You can go ahead and use your clinicians to educate the marketers about the clinical benefits of the specialty programs. Imagine this. You bring in your therapist, you bring in your occupational therapist, your physical therapists, and you have them teach your marketers about the programs that you're offering so that they can become knowledgeable and that they are able to then dictate and explain the details about your new specialty therapy programs to the physicians, to the referral sources out there, to the discharge planners. If you are, or your marketer, right? Or if you as a marketer can and be able to be knowledgeable about these specialty programs, and you are aware of how it is able to reduce rehospitalization rates, how you are able to then provide the physicians with the information, you will be able to then repackage and at the same time get more referrals. Another big suggestion that we can make is, why don't you just go ahead and have your clinicians who are way better explaining everything for you go with your marketers in the field to be able to then speak to the physicians directly. This will guarantee and give you more value, because here you are as a marketer with that you bringing with you the people that who can and will provide these specialty cares to the patients of these referral sources or of these physicians. And so by you bringing them, the explanation will be a lot better. And at the same time as this, it gives you pretty much a head start compared to other agencies, because they are not bringing their clinicians to the field. When you create these specialty programs, make sure that you find referral sources that will benefit from these specialty programs. You don't want to create specialty programs and then all of a sudden go ahead and market it to the wrong person, to the wrong referral sources. So when you create specialty programs, make sure that you market them to the right people, the right person that's going to be able to use the programs that you have created. Okay? Also, be specific. Be specific in which you need to be able to mention which diagnosis can the programs that you create help and treat. Okay? By you doing this, you are able to help the referral sources easily identify which patient they have that would definitely benefit from the programs and services you are offering. Remember, you always want to be able to explain this. Do not expect these referral sources, such as physicians or discharge planners or social workers, just figure out by themselves. Don't think that they know. Make sure that you go ahead and explain it yourself. A lot of times, people do not choose anything, or they do not say anything or say no to services because they are just not knowledgeable and they just do not know. So do not be scared at all. Do not be scared to make some explanation. Don't be scared to show them how this will benefit their patients. Okay? Your specialty programs are going to be what is going to be the differentiator of your company among the rest. Look, like I said, there are other companies out there that have specialty programs. but I guarantee you more that there's more companies out there who does not have them, or even worse, for the people that do have them, only the marketers knows about it. Only the flyers that they have knows what it's about. Only their DON knows what it's about. But nobody in the staff is knowledgeable at all of the step-by-step formulas of each of the policies for those particular programs. So look, when you create these programs, let everybody know. But make sure at the same time as you let everybody in your staff know and be trained what are the processes involved in these particular programs.